Hey foodies, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making one of Nigeria's richest and most nourishing soups, Edikan Ikong. This is one of my favorite soups to make and I thought of showing you guys the way I make it. It's very easy, very delicious and straight to the point. Whether you're a beginner or you've been cooking it the wrong way, trust me, this recipe is for you. Let's get started. For my ingredients, I'm going to be using Waterleaf. It's very important that you wash your veggies thoroughly and allow them to drain properly for at least 30 minutes before cooking your soup. I also do the same to my Ugwu leaves. I'm going to be using goat meat. Feel free to use whatever protein of your choice. I'm using Ponmo. I'm using stockfish, a mix of both Habenaro and Scotch bonnet, smoked fish. You can use any smoked fish of your choice. I'm going to be using palm oil, crayfish powder. You need lots of crayfish powder, seasoning and salt. Well, starting with our goat meat, I have washed the meat thoroughly and I'm going to season with salt and seasoning cubes. Then I'm going to add my stockfish. Then I'm going to stir it all together and allow it to cook until it is tender. You want it falling off the bone but still holding shape. Team soft meat, where are you guys? Once the meat is cooked, it's time to turn things up. Add some of the blended pepper mix, the smoked fish, Ponmo, some of the crayfish powder and some of the palm oil. Stir this together thoroughly and let it cook gently on low heat for about 6 minutes. Once they are well cooked and the liquid starts drying up, you notice how there's little to no liquid left in my pot. This is how yours should also look like. The only liquid you need in your Edikan Ikong soup is the palm oil. The water leaf contains water, and once it shrinks down, your soup is going to become watery. So be careful while doing this. Please, I'm going to repeat, the only liquid you need in your Edikan Ikong is the palm oil. Allow the water to dry up before going to the next step. For the next step, I'm going to be adding the VIPs of the soup to the soup. That's our veggies. The water leaf is going to go in first. It's watery like I said and needs time to shrink down. So I'm going to add more crayfish powder to this and more palm oil. Then I'll cover and allow to cook for a few minutes. Trust me, if you follow this process of cooking your Edikan Ikong, you will come back to thank me. Trust me on this one. After a few minutes, I'm going to open the pot and I'm going to stir my water leaves together. You will start noticing small liquid in the pot. It's because the water leaves, like I said, contains water and it has already shrunk down. So I'm going to add my chopped Ugwu leaves and I'm going to add more crayfish powder, pepper and more palm oil. See guys, don't be shy with the palm oil. This is not the time to count calories at all. Don't be shy with your palm oil. You need palm oil for Edikan Ikong. You need palm oil, lots of palm oil and crayfish powder for your Edikan Ikong. You're going to cover the pot and allow the soup to simmer for a minute. Stir it up and let it cool gently while stirring gently. Can you smell that? Your kitchen is officially giving restaurant vibes. You're going to let everything simmer together so that the flavor hugs the leaves. Taste it and adjust your salt and seasoning. And at this point, if your neighbor does not knock your door, your window is probably closed. And so there you have it guys, Edikan Ikong, hot, fresh and calling your name. Look at the color, look at the thickness, look at everything. It's giving richness. This is my favorite for a reason. Guys, if you follow this recipe, trust me, you will never cook Edikan Ikong the same way again. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and tell me in the comments. There's one particular thing that I missed and I am going to ask. Do you guys add periwinkles to your Edikan Ikong? Please let me know in the comment section. Anyway, what would you also pair this with? Fufu, eba, semo, which swallow? Oh, this actually also goes very well with rice. I have seen a lot of people that have eaten Edikan Ikong with rice. Thank you for watching today's video. I'm going to drop a list of the ingredients in the description box below. Feel free to check. Thank you once again for watching. I will definitely see you in the next one. Bye.